Their ability to amuse humans by copying our actions has led these apes to be in demand, and it's one reason why they're fighting for their very survival in the wild. Although relieved that the orangutans are not hurting each other, Jim and Alison have some major concerns about this melodramatic performance.
Where they live and they're not actually doing it.
What happens to them in, where they go in 5 years' time, I think we need to find it out. We got to keep going, we got to give this a lot of thought. We got to give it a lot of thought.
The winner is celebrated, but in this environment, aren't all these apes losers in the end?